G'day, Matt here from Core Healing. Have you ever heard about compensating strategies or behaviors and dominant intentions? So I want to explain this a bit more because this is what can keep us stuck in certain patterns in our life. If we have an unconscious or a subconscious faulty core belief, like the one I've got here of I'm unworthy of love, we believe we have to do things in order to earn love or in order to prove love. So that leads to a what we call a compensating strategy or behavior of always trying to prove one is worthy of love to others, and it can be through there's so many different behaviors. It can be through in relationships, for example, in romantic relationships, always doing things for the other partner, never saying no, always giving, and maybe never feeling like you're getting anything in return. And this is because the reason why we don't get anything in return is because our subconscious has the belief of I'm unworthy of love. So it doesn't want to let any love back into our life, because if it was to allow love back in, that would essentially disprove that belief. And the subconscious wants to hold on to that because that has what's been true for a lot of the time throughout your life. So the dominant intention behind our behavior or our compensating strategy is not so much I'm doing this for this person because I really love them and they're really special to me. Sometimes this is a lot of the time the dominant behavior, and it might be a part of it, but a lot of the time the dominant intention behind the behavior is I want people to notice me. I want people to see that I'm worthy of love. I want people to give me love back. I'm doing it because I want to be loved myself. And when we use the word wants in our language, wants or needs, it indicates that we, in that present moment, that we don't actually have that thing. If I want something, it's indicating I don't have it. Or if I need something, it's also indicating I don't have it in that present moment. So who we are in that present moment is what we're putting out to the universe. So if I need love, then it means I don't have love. And that's all we're affirming to the universe. I don't have love. I don't have love. And what happens is our focus, because of that belief, it creates our focus of our perspectives that I don't have love. And that just keeps going over a loop, a loop, a loop. And that's all we end up seeing in our environment. So just be careful around these. If you feel like you're trying to prove yourself, this is only one sort of scenario. If you're always trying to feel like you're proving yourself, maybe you can't say no, you feel like you're giving, and nobody ever gives back to you, that could be a sign that there is a faulty core belief there, that we're not worthy. And if we change that belief, we don't feel like, if we have the belief I am worthy or I'm worthy of love, then there's no need to prove ourselves because we're worthy of love. If somebody doesn't appreciate us, we wouldn't be emotionally triggered. We don't need to try and fix things. We just accept for what it is that maybe that's the wrong person in our life, and our reactions change from those differing sets of beliefs. So you can see how powerful changing beliefs are, can be in overall in our life, and as far as accepting love, and this works for so many different topics in the belief code. There's over 2,000 beliefs in the belief code, and all these beliefs, we do tend to have a compensating strategy for it. So with the dominant intentions, as I want to explain more about the intention, like I use a lot of intention when we're doing this work. We're intending intention to clear things out of the subconscious. So that through that intention of me wanting to clear in a positive way, that's creating positive changes for the clients. But when we have a negative intention, dominant intention behind our behaviors, it's sort of cementing those negative beliefs back into the beliefs into our subconscious mind, and that's what keeps people stuck. There's no allowance to change because we keep affirming in the present moment that we have a lack of or not enough. Of what we're looking for, whether it be love or abundance, money, all these, they're all connected in some way. So if you want to learn more about maybe what faulty beliefs you have and the strategies that maybe you're using, so you can start to change those beliefs, which will change the behaviors, which obviously change the strategies and the behaviors, which obviously when you change the strategies and behaviors, you're going to get a different result in your life. So if you feel like you're stuck and you're wanting a different result, a different outcome in your life, the best way to do it is through changing beliefs and changing behaviors. And when they change, our emotions start to change with them. And we feel lighter, we feel more confident, we feel more calm, we're having more positive emotions than more so negative emotions and experiences. So if you'd like to learn more about it, head to our website, corehealing.com.au. You can purchase a package if you haven't worked with us before. You can purchase a new client package, which gives you 2 sessions for the price of one, allows you to test it, to taste it before you go and commit to further sessions. And it's a great way to step into it and learn more about it. If you're an existing client, we have the 3-session packages and 10-session packages available as well for existing and for existing clients. So we can help you, change these beliefs, change your life.